Hi everyone. Welcome to the Game Level channel. Today I want to show you how you can run the WhatsApp application on your computer without keeping your phone online. Note that you must update your WhatsApp application to the latest update. Open your browser and go to whatsapp.com. Click on the Mac or Windows PC option. Click on Download for Windows. After the download is finished, open the downloaded file. We click on Run. We close the browser. After the installation is complete, WhatsApp will open automatically. In the next step, we need to open WhatsApp on the smartphone. From the menu, select Link Devices. Touch OK. Touch Link a device. Touch OK. Touch Continue. Touch Allow. We scan the QR code displayed on the monitor. We return to the computer. As you can see, WhatsApp is successfully launched on the computer. Now send and receive messages without keeping your phone online. Use WhatsApp on up to 4 linked devices and one phone at the same time. I hope you found this video useful. If you want, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click the bell, a notification will be sent to you as soon as a new video of me is released. Thanks for watching this video.